Hello, welcome to the channel. What's happening in the workshop today? Well, I've got another hay rack in for repair, so I finished that, so that should be all of them now. I think we have 6 in total like that, so they're all fully functional now. And we've got this little ram to fit back on the post knocker. It's been away for a refurb, so it's a new piston in and new collar made on the end. Alan's got a little fencing job to do tomorrow, so if I can get that done today, all's good. This operates the rock spike on the post knocker. Right, let's see if we can get this ram back on. A bit tight on there. What's with the newness? And it's a bit blustery today. Don't worry, kids. Despite what the media tell you, it's not the end of the world. It's just bad weather. Happens every year. It's not caused by cow fart. And anyway, if the cows weren't eating all the vegetation, the vegans would. And they'll fart just as much anyway. So don't worry. Carry on eating British beef. Right, I think that's it. Just wants a bit of grease in now and she's good to go. Right, that's the post knocker fixed, and we're back in the workshop with an interesting little project for the day. Right, so I've got the rear hub off and now ready just to press the bearing out and put some new bushes in while we're on. So I've got the new bearings, new bushes. We need to get this, there's a big circle up in there, we'll get all this cleaned up, and then we've got to get these bushes out and put the new ones in. Don't know whether you can see on there how crusty it is around here. I need to clean all that up, and in there somewhere there should be a spring clip, and that'll allow us to push the bushes out. Alright, so we can get some of this crust out of here. Might just have to warm that up a bit, help get that bearing up, because it's really cold today. It's about -3 outside, so we'll get a little bit of heat into that, I think. Right, that's warmed that up nicely, so hopefully that bearing will push out of there easy. The real reason to do it is because my bloody hands are cold. Right, here goes. Tight. A bit more heat needed. Yeah, that's it. There we have it. One knackered bearing. I've never actually done one of these before. I've done bushes but never on a Discovery. I've got the new bush there, but it doesn't come with the retaining clip that fits in that groove. So I don't know what we're going to do. Right, let's put a bit of jizz on there. See if we can get rid of some rust. See what we can find underneath it. Right, I think we might be seeing the circlip here, or spring clip or whatever it is. I think that'll be the gap, and that'll be part of the groove that it sits in. So I'm hoping that that'll be the end, or the two ends. We'll see. Just put a bit more jizz on there. Now, incredible as it seems, you don't always need a big hammer. Just going to give the end of that a tap too. See what happens. Right, I don't know whether you can see that or not, but this line here, it looks like it's actually coming out of the groove there, so it might be working. Let's see. Well, that looks like it. That's definitely coming out of that groove. Just gently work it, I think, with a bit more jizz. I don't want to damage this because I haven't got another one to put in. I'll have to go around it a little bit at a time. Try not to bend it too, otherwise it won't fit back. Yeah, I need to get some more rust off the back, I think. Well, it's out. It took quite a bit of gentle persuasion to get it out without breaking it, but there we go. Right, I'm going to put a bit of heat into here, see if we can get that bush out, but first I want to chip all this crusty rust off, because if I don't, all I'll be doing is heating the rust up and I'm just wasting gas. Right, I've warmed that up a bit. It's not red hot, it's just nice and warm, so let's see if anything happens. Fucking good start. So it's coming out anyway. I'm a bit short of something to pull it out with properly. Will that bolt reach there? Just about long enough. Right, try that. Right, this one's decided to disintegrate, so That might make it easier to get out. A bit of luck. Yeah. There we have it. Right, that's a new bush back in. Basically, I've just reversed the procedure and pulled it back in. But don't pull off there. Make sure you get something that fits over there and onto the bush itself. Otherwise you might damage it. Put this clip to put back on now. Shouldn't be too bad. Right, just got to make sure that's seated in that groove all the way around. That's okay to me. Right, main bearing in now. Let me press that in on the press. Right, we're set up in the press. See if we can get this bearing in. That looks okay. To me, I only need that pressing in there. Well, that's it for this video till we get the new part. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.